Now let's talk about virtualization. So virtualization is a technology where you're creating the virtual copies of different things. So in a layman language, let's suppose, for example, you in a single system, in a single laptop, you want to host multiple operating systems. So if you want to do that, you need to take the help of something which is called virtualization. Using up the virtualization in your single system, you can have multiple operating systems because you create virtual copies of those operating systems. It could be 10, 20, and that makes your life very much easy and convenient. And this is the thing which is used up in the backend into the data server. So in a single hardware, you can host up multiple operating system, and it's very convenient and very easy for the admin to manage them. Now there is another thing which is called the hypervisor. So how do you actually use this particular concept of virtualization? So if you want to use the concept of virtualization, you need a special kind of a software which is called the hypervisor. So hypervisor is a software which you install in your system, and it lets you use the virtualization. There are two types of hypervisors, hypervisor 1 and the hypervisor 2. Hypervisor 1 is the one where you do not see an operating system, and there is a specially configured hardware which is used up in the backend into the data center. On the other hand, you have type 2 hypervisor which has an operating system, and this is mostly used up by the users, normal users, right? So your normal PC is compatible enough to use up any kind of type 2 hypervisor. So guys, this is it. Thank you.